Now I am going to derive the Fourier transform for the exponential function, that is e power minus at into u of t. So for this function we have to apply the Fourier transform. So x of t, given function is x of t is equal to e power minus at into u of t. U of t is a unit step signal. So unit step signal exists for t greater than or equal to 0, and for t less than 0 it is 0. Okay, so here formula x of omega is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus j omega t into dt. Given function is minus infinity to infinity e power minus at into u of t into e power minus j omega t dt. So as we already know that u of t exists for t greater than or equal to 0, that is only for positive t values it exists, right? So the limits will change from 0 to infinity, e power minus at into e power minus j omega t into dt. So here integration 0 to infinity e power minus a plus j omega into t into dt. So what is integration of e power x? E power x integration is e power x divided by x. So here integration e power minus of a plus j omega into t divided by minus of a plus j omega, having the limits 0 to infinity. So if I apply the limits, I will get e power minus infinity, right? Infinity minus e power 0 divided by minus of a plus j omega. So what is e power minus infinity value? E power minus infinity can be written as 1 by e power infinity. E power infinity value is infinity. So 1 by infinity will give us 0. Minus e power minus 0 value is 1. So minus 1 by minus of a plus j omega. So finally answer is 1 by a plus j omega. So Fourier transform of e power minus at into u of t will give us 1 by a plus j omega. Okay, or e power minus at into u of t Fourier transform will give us 1 by a plus j omega. Now what is the magnitude and phase response? So magnitude of x of omega, this is x of omega now. So magnitude of x of omega is 1 by square root of a square plus omega square, and angle of x of omega. Angle of x of omega is, we have to write tan inverse b by a. In the numerator I am having only real, and what is imaginary? Plus j0, 1 plus j0 divided by a plus j omega, right? For this one, tan inverse b is 0 by 1 by here tan inverse omega by a. So here it is 0 angle, tan inverse 0 is 0 degrees divided by tan inverse omega by a. Okay, and this can be written as angle of x of omega is nothing but minus tan inverse omega by a. If I bring the angle which is in the denominator to the numerator, the sign will change, minus tan inverse omega by a. So this is for all values of omega. Okay, so if I want to draw magnitude spectrum and phase spectrum, magnitude spectrum and phase spectrum. So this is given function e power minus at into u of t, and its magnitude spectrum will be like this. One by a. magnitude of x of omega. So what actually magnitude of x of omega? I have 1 by square root of a square plus omega square. At omega equal to 0, I will have 1 by a. So 1 by a is a maximum value, as omega value is going on increasing. So if omega increases, denominator value increases. Denominator value increases means total value will decrease. So like this, I will get the magnitude response. And this is a phase response. This is minus pi by 2 and this is plus pi by 2. And this is at omega equal to 0. So what is x of omega? Minus tan inverse omega by a. Okay, so this is a phase response. Thank you.